Real life doesn't run on inspiration, it runs on systems. And if you've spent years thinking you just need more visualization, I want to offer you something better. Powerful, grounded, evidence-based ways to design any year so that it supports you. Even though there is time and place for vision boards, because it is nice, it is amazing to physically see your hopes and your dreams and your aspirations. The mistake that most of us make is assuming that the big pictures on our vision boards will change our tiny day-to-day behaviors and decisions. But in science, we track, we measure, we adapt. So today I'll show you what to do instead of making yet another vision board. I'll give you 5 grounded resets that will help you step into the new year with systems that will actually hold you up when life gets messy, because life will get messy. Number 1, see, most people stick a photo of a destination, a holiday destination, or a toned body on a board and hope that staring at it every day will change behavior. But if you zoom out, what creates those outcomes isn't the pictures, it's the patterns of actions behind them. For example, instead of cutting up a photo of, say, Auckland, New Zealand, where I live, ask yourself this question: what patterns in my year would actually make such a trip possible? Maybe it's setting aside a weekend every month for local adventures. There's some travel to begin with. Or creating a new sinking fund for travel, just specifically for travel, and actually put money aside for the trips. Or if the photo is about fitness, don't obsess over the image. Design the pattern. 20 minutes of daily movement, non-negotiable rest, good food that fuel you rather than drain you. Pictures inspire, yes, but patterns deliver. So number 1 is to swap your pictures for patterns. Number 2, a vision board is an outcome snapshot. However, if you only ever focus on where you want to get to, the end goal of the photo or the picture, you'll miss all of the small wins that accumulate over time between where you are now and where you want to get to. For example, if your vision is to feel calmer, the outcome is vague, but if your input is 10 minutes of breathing practices 3 times a week, that's something that you can do, you can measure, you can track, and you can tweak as you go. Over time, you'll feel less nervous and can actually track the effects of what you are doing. So the second shift is to track the input, not just the outcomes, what we want to get out of it. Number 3, vision boards often assume that you'll make fresh, excellent choices every day, that you will choose the healthy option every day, that you'll choose focus over distraction, or you choose discipline to bring your vision to life. But behavioral science has shown us that willpower is often weak when decision fatigue sets in. Instead of images on your vision board, remove the friction from your everyday life that will get you closer to doing the thing that you want to do, so that the actions become automatic. Lay out the clothes for tomorrow morning, tonight, or have a Monday dinner equals this, fill in the blank. Every Monday you eat that without fail. Lay out the gym clothes if we're talking about fitness. Put them by the side of your bed. Systems that run in the background are much more powerful than motivation bursts inspired by photos of somebody else. Yes, photos are great. However, we want to build systems that will run automatically in the background of our lives. Okay, the 4th shift is to replace someday goals with rolling experiments. I'm a scientist. I run experiments, and I suggest you do the same. Vision boards are static. They're like someday goals. But life is not static, so we must conduct as many experiments as it takes to learn and to adjust from them. For example, instead of a vision board photo of reading books, create a 30-day reading experiment. Write 5 pages every day before you go to bed or once you wake up, and see how it goes. If it works well, extend it. If it doesn't, now you have data and you can tweak it, you can adjust it. Instead of make more money, try a 6-week saving experiment. Track your money for 6 weeks. Actually redirect 10% of what you make into savings. Experiments take the pressure off of us, because success isn't did I reach the vision yet, but did I learn something? What did I learn that will make tomorrow easier, that will make next month easier for me? What did I learn that will carry me forward? Because you can very well be moving, but it's not forward, right? We want to move forward, and the only way to have the data that will propel us forward is by trying things, by running experiments. So number 4, replace someday goals with experiments. Number 5, Here's where most vision boards collapse. You can fill a board with as many nice photos as you want, all the things, all the houses, all the cars, and the holiday, and the money, and the things, even relationships. Excellent, great, but if they are not rooted in your core values, they will not stick. Research shows that people who align their daily actions with core values, things like connection, growth, health, service to other people, experience more fulfillment than arbitrary milestones. So before you cut out another image, ask this question: what value does this represent for me right now? If it is peace, how can you honor your peace with your schedule, with your health, with your commitments? If it is health, how can you honor your health this week and even in a stressful week? A photo is surface level, but a value is soil we want to plant in soil. So number 5, anchor the year in values and not just visuals. If this video resonated with you, stick around, because in this next video here, I will show you how to reset without the January pressure and why your unfinished tasks and goals are not failures but data points. I will see you there. Bye.